Namaste students. In the last class I have explained you pair of lines. So pair of lines are of two types. One is parallel line and second is intersecting lines. In that class I have explained you that lines which have no common points, which have no common points in a plane are called parallel lines, which will not intersect each other after extending in any direction. And the lines which have one common point, they are known as intersecting lines. So these are parallel lines and these are intersecting lines. Here they don't have any common point, and in this set of lines they have one common point. Now I am going to explain you congruent lines. Please learn this spelling, congruent lines. What is the meaning of congruent? Congruent means same shape and same size. So let me first write the meaning of this word. Congruent means same shape and same size. So two lines by the now this word for this word only it is clear. Congruent means same shape and same size. So two line segment. Line cannot be congruent, children. So lines are only parallel or intersecting, but when we talk about congruent lines, we will be drawing two line segment. So two line segment which are of same length. So which are of same length, they are called congruent line segments. I should use here congruent line segments. What are congruent line segments? Two line segments are congruent which has same length. Suppose this line segment AB is of 5 cm. So this CD, if AB is congruent to CD line segment should also be of 5 cm. So see the symbol of congruent. AB is congruent to CD. This is a symbol of congruent. Line segment AB is congruent to line segment CD. So if I will ask you a line segment XY is of 4 cm and draw another line segment PQ which is congruent to XY, so you have to draw the same line segment, same length line segment, that is 4 cm. PQ will also be of 4 cm. In this way only XY and PQ will be congruent. I hope it is clear. So congruent line segments are those line segments which are of same length. Now our next definition is types of lines. There are three types of lines basically which you will be studying in this chapter. One is horizontal lines. Lines which are lying horizontally in a plane, they are called horizontal lines. These lines are horizontal lines. Another lines are vertical lines. Lines which are lying vertically in a plane are called vertical lines. These lines are vertical lines. Third types of lines are oblique lines or slant lines. Lines which are look like an oblique sign or a slant line. Okay, slant direction, they are known as slant lines. Slant lines or oblique lines. So in this chapter you have to name certain types of lines. They are how many lines are horizontal, how many lines are vertical, how many lines are slant or oblique. If you will be given a figure and you will have to name in that figure these type of lines. Okay, so just take some questions from exercise and start doing this exercise. Thank you.